How does this animal survive minus 40 degrees Celsius? Did you know polar bears are exceptionally well adapted to survive in extreme cold? They have a thick fur coat that provides excellent insulation, and a layer of blubber that can reach up to 4 inches, serving as both insulation and an energy reserve. Their brown adipose tissue, BAT, plays a crucial role in non-shivering thermogenesis, allowing them to generate heat even in freezing conditions. Additionally, polar bears have a high metabolic rate, which helps maintain their body temperature and energy levels in sub-freezing temperatures. Like if that surprised you, and follow for more wildlife facts.